One of the ways people may disprove a statement or a claim is by presenting a falsification test and then getting a positive result for their test. Scientists use the falsification tests in order to check the validity of a given theory or hypothesis. If the theory passes the test, then it may be regarded as a law or a fact. The author of the Qur'an has given many falsification tests. Some of them were meant for only that time, and others are meant for the people to come after them. Now, let's look at one that was meant for only that time.
One very good example is about the story of Abu Lahab. Abu Lahab, he was the uncle of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and he was given this nickname, Abu Lahab, the father of the flame, and he was one of the staunchest enemies of the Prophet. Whenever he saw anyone speaking with the Prophet, he used to wait. Moment the Prophet left, he used to go to the man and ask him, what did the Prophet say? Did he say black? It is white. Did he say day? No, it is night. He used to speak the opposite. He went out of the way, he even lied many a times just to prove the Prophet wrong. Now there is a surah in the Qur'an by the name Surah Lahab, chapter number 111, which all of us know very well. In this surah it is mentioned that Abu Lahab and his wife, they will burn in the hellfire, indicating they will never become Muslims. They will never ever accept Islam. Now this surah was revealed about 10 years before the death of Abu Lahab. When this surah was revealed, only thing Abu Lahab had to do was accept Islam, and the Quran would have been proved wrong. Not actually. Many of his companions who were his friends, in the span of 10 years they accepted Islam. Abu Lahab, later on after 10 years, he died in the battle of Badr. 10 years he had time. The Prophet was constantly reminding him for 10 years, you accept Islam and the Quran will be proved wrong. So easy. Only thing he had to do was say, I am a Muslim. Finish. Not that he had to behave like a Muslim. Not that he had to offer salah. Only thing he had to say, I am a Muslim, and finish. The Quran would have been proved wrong. So easy. Very easy. He had lied many times against the Prophet. He had to lie once again, and the Quran would have been proved wrong. But he could not, because the author of the Quran is Almighty God. He knows that Abu Lahab will never accept Islam.